Classification of pharmaceutical dosage forms. There are a lot of classifications of pharmaceutical dosage forms. In this video, we will explain the main classifications. The first classification criteria is according to state of matter. Liquid. 1. Elixirs. A liquid formulation for oral administration includes excipients and medicaments in a mixture of water and alcohol. 2. Suspensions. One or more active components dispersed in a suitable medium are used in biphasic liquid formulations for oral administration. When shaken, it disperses into a uniform suspension that is stable enough to deliver the precise dosage. 3. Gargles. Externally applied aqueous solutions that are concentrated for treating throat infections. 4. Mouthwashes. In a similar manner to gargles, these mouthwashes are used for oral cleanliness and to treat oral infections. 5. Nasal drops. Dropper instilled liquid solutions used to treat nose infections and blockages. 6. Solutions. A homogeneous liquid mixture of medicine and other substances that can be used for internal applications such as injection, oral solution, or exterior applications like dermal solution. 7. Syrups. A concentrated or saturated solution of sugar and medicaments. Sweet, viscous, concentrated liquid medicines are made. Solid 1. Tablets. Medication in solid dose form manufactured by compression of powder, granules or pellets. 2. Capsules. Gelatin capsules are used to encapsulate drugs either in powder, granules or pellets. 3. Powders. Solid dose formulations comprising micron-sized, finely fragmented particles. 4. Granules. A dosage form composed of dry aggregates of powder particles that may contain one or more drug substances with or without other ingredients. They may be swallowed as such, dispersed in food or dissolved in water. Granules are frequently compacted into tablets or filled into capsules with or without additional ingredients. More commonly, granules are reconstituted as a suspension. 5. Pellets. Small solid dosage form of uniform, sometimes spherical, shape intended for direct administration. Spherical pellets are sometimes referred to as beads. Pellets intended as implants must be sterile. 6. Pills. A solid spherical dosage form usually prepared by a wet, massing, piping and molding technique. This term is frequently incorrectly used as a general term to describe solid oral dosage forms such as tablets or capsules. 7. Lozenges. Sugar and gum-based solid formulations used to treat mouth and throat disorders. 8. Suppositories. Solid dosage form carrying medication that is put into bodily cavities other than the mouth, such as the rectum, nose or ear. 9. Insert. A solid dosage form, such as ovules that is inserted into a naturally occurring, non-surgical body cavity other than the mouth or rectum. It should be noted that a suppository is intended for application into the rectum and is not classified as an insert. Semi-solid creams. A semi-solid emulsion dosage form often containing water and waxes or polyols as the vehicle for the drug substance. Creams are generally intended for external application to the skin or mucous membranes. Ointments. A semi-solid dosage form usually containing less than 20% water and volatiles and more than 50% hydrocarbons, waxes or polyols as the vehicle. This dosage form generally is for external application to the skin or mucous membranes. Lotion. An emulsion liquid dosage form applied to the outer surface of the body. Gel. A dosage form that is a semi-solid dispersion of small particles or a solution of large molecules interpenetrated by a solution containing a gelling agent to provide stiffness. Foam. A dosage form containing gas dispersed in a liquid or solid continuous phase. Foams are formed at the time of application by dispensing product from the canister or other appropriate container and can be formulated to quickly break down into a liquid or to remain as a foam to ensure prolonged contact. Paste. A semi-solid dosage form containing a high percentage, 20 to 50%, of finely dispersed solids with a stiff consistency. This dosage form is intended for application to the skin, oral cavity, or mucous membranes. Plaster. A semi-solid substance for external application that is supplied on a support material. Plasters are applied for prolonged periods to provide protection, support, or occlusion maceration. It consists of an adhesive layer that may contain active substances. Gum. Medicated gum is a pliable dosage form that is designed to be chewed rather than swallowed. Medicated gums release the drug substance into the saliva. Medicated gums can deliver therapeutic agents for local action in the mouth or for systemic absorption via the buccal or gastrointestinal routes. Gas aerosols, dispersion of solid or liquid particles in gas for application to the respiratory tract using an atomizer. Inhalations, it consists of pharmaceutical liquid preparations for internal consumption which are either dispersed or suspended in the propellant. Sprays, application of alcohol-containing medication aerosols to the nose or throat using an atomizer or nebulizer. Route of administration of pharmaceutical dosage forms. The primary routes of administration for pharmaceutical dosage forms can be defined as parenteral, gastrointestinal, topical, mucosal, and inhalation. Each has subcategories as needed. An appropriate manufacturing process and testing regimen helps ensure that a dosage form can meet the appropriate quality attributes for the intended route of administration. Oral, parenteral, transdermal, intraocular, conjunctival, sublingual, intrarespiratory, intranasal, vaginal, rectal, urethral, nasal, otic,